Sir, if you don't mind, tell our viewers, if you had social media today, what message would you send to the nation?
I would post one message every day.
These are my first question. If Pakistan's leadership was in your hands today, what would be the very first decision you would take?
First thing I would do is fix the system. This nation doesn't lack resources, it lacks discipline. And I would place the law above everyone, and anyone who violates it would face immediate accountability.
Sir, you mentioned discipline. How should today's youth deal with this problem?
I would tell the youth only one thing. Your success must be bigger than your excuses. Today's young generation is trapped in distractions. I would give them a balance of skills, education, and character building.
Sir, what do you think about today's political leaders?
So I do not target individuals, but I would say one thing. Leadership is not the name of a seat. It is the name of responsibility. Anyone who cannot handle responsibility does not deserve leadership.
Sir, if you don't mind, tell our viewers, if you had social media today, what message would you send to the nation?
I would post one message every day. Nations do not rise through speeches. They rise through work ethic.
I want an honest answer. If you look at today's Pakistan, would you feel proud or disappointed?
I would not be disappointed because I never lose hope. Yeah. But I would say this clearly. Pakistan has tremendous potential. But potential only becomes reality when the nation works. This country can still reach the heights it was created for.
All right, sir. One last question. Give the youth a message that can change their lives.
Your life is your responsibility. If your vision is small, your life will remain small. Learn, work hard, and become the strength of Pakistan.